standing feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now come up onto the toes as you reach the arms towards the sky. And bring the arms down, heels to the ground. So inhale, reaching up, belly button squeezed in. Exhale, control back down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And inhale. Exhale, back down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Inhale. So reaching up as high as we can. Exhale down. Inhale, holding there. Arms shoulder level. Now squeeze the shoulder blades together and then come back to the center. So squeeze the shoulder blades, coming back. Trying to stay on the toes. Squeezing the shoulder blades and coming back. Squeeze and back. And reach up high and coming down. So just roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And bringing the feet together, palms to the chest. Inhale, lengthen up, and then very carefully over to the side, and back to the middle. So lengthen up first, and then gently to the other side, and back to the middle. So inhale, lengthen, exhale, over a little bit further, and back to the middle. Inhale, exhale, over, and to the middle. So one more each side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And bringing the arms down. So hands on the shoulders, feet back to hip width, and we're just circling the elbows. And the other way. So balance pose, we're working on warrior 3. So standing on that right leg, and we're going to lift the left, trying to bring the body parallel to the ground, and lifting the leg to hip height, toes pointing down. If you can bring the arms out in front. Try and straighten both legs. Now, if you want to take it further, bring the hands to the ground and lifting that back leg. Carefully come on out. Go to the other side. We're standing on the left, we're lifting the right leg. We'll bring the body parallel. So you can always stay here or wherever you get to. So just find what works for you. But if this seems quite easy, then bring the arms forwards. Bring the hands together. Try and straighten the legs. If you want, bring the hands to the floor, lifting that back leg. And coming on up. So we'll do one more each side. So remember, just go to your level. If you can, bring the hands straight up and come forwards. You can always keep the arms out at shoulder level. So if you're coming into that standing split, Bring the hands to the floor. You might be able to bring one hand to the leg, or just whatever you can manage. You never know until you give it a go. Coming forwards into your warrior 3. And if you want to do the standing split, bringing the hands down, maybe holding onto the ankle, trying to bring that nose closer to the knee. And control back up. So standing pose, high lunge, left foot forward, right foot back, left knee's bent, right heel is up. So we're going to add a twist. So have the arms out at shoulder level. We'll inhale, exhale, twist towards the bent knee. Inhale back. And exhale, twist. So try and keep the arms shoulder level if you can. So exhale, twist towards the leg. Inhale back to the middle. 2 more. Exhale, twist. Inhale back. And exhale. Inhale back. So to the other side. So bringing that right leg forward, left leg back. Remember, toes facing forwards. The back heel's up, front knees bent. Inhale first. Exhale, twist towards the bent knee. Inhale to the middle. Exhale, twist. Inhale back. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And bring the arms down, sweeping that back leg forwards. And we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down. String from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths and see if you can feel the heartbeats. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.